and I am from Kadapa. I completed my BTech in Annamacharya Institute of Technology, Tirupati, and I am a 2022 graduate. Now I got placed in L&T with GET position with 6 lakhs package. I would like to thank JSpiders Hebbal for helping me in this, for getting this. Before coming to JSpiders Hebbal, I was like very low in technical skills and applied skills like that. And after coming here, they helped me a lot for increasing my technical skills and aptitude skills, which helped for me to crack this exam. And here the faculties are very friendly, and I would like to thank Ampam ma'am and all the HRs here. Yes, definitely I will recommend the JSpiders Hebbal for you all guys for getting placed in a good company with better package and good technical skills as well. Thank you.